Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 66 Lincoln Continental. This comes from Mark in Sugar Land, Texas. Mark was satisfied with his radio's performance and just wanted the 8-track repaired, so that's what we did. So let's go ahead and turn around and test it real quick. Got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area.
Oh my gosh, nicely done. Excellent. We didn't even rehearse that. Yes,
right.
she
And we'll
is
just check
a
our,
lunatic, an utter
just check
complete
our balance
lunatic.
real
When
quick.
asked about what she would do with the $83.3 million
Balance
she's
left.
never going to get
Right.
from President Trump.
Left.
This
Right.
is what she said, because she's completely normal. Cut 17.
Okay, don't need that anymore.
You said you want to do great
Okay, let's try a tape.
with this $83 million settlement.
I know the answer to my prayer is you. Up and live. Get out and I circulate. Bow down in the nearest town tonight. Still I want to get your kicks. Oh, gotta wait home. Honey, won't you stay? You're the end. Too lonesome, tied hands. I'm a prehistoric man. Well, now that's right.
Okay, tape out, radio comes back. And that's all there is. There's no virtual balance faders or Bluetooth or anything to test, so that's how she goes back. Pretty much the same way the customer sent it. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, or you can also call me at 928-533-9666. If you visit my website first and download and print a work order, that'll answer probably all your questions, and you wouldn't need to call me unless you just want to talk for a few minutes just to make sure you can trust me and all that. That's perfectly fine. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mark, for your business from Sugar Land, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.